Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am going to talk you through how I made a couple of adorable little gifts for Christmas, but these gifts could be for anything. It could be for Christmas, Valentine's Day, birthdays, or any kind of special occasion throughout the year. So I wanted to go ahead and describe to you how I made this. This is Giada's recipe. Just to let you know, it wasn't like how I really wanted it to be. I think next time I make it, I'm going to tweak it, but it wasn't bad. It was actually pretty good. And I had somebody that I gifted this to, I had somebody come back and tell me that it was absolutely delicious. I'm not a whiskey drinker, and this drink is based off of that. It was 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 cup whiskey. It could be whiskey of choice, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 14 ounces of canned sweetened condensed milk. Basically, I just threw it all in a jar and I shook it well. I purchased these adorable bottles and then I just filled them individually. I ended up getting 8 of these 4-ounce bottles created for gifts. I just filled out a tag, I labeled it, and it turned out to be a very cute, original gift, something you don't buy at the store. It's handmade. People love handmade. So I'm definitely doing this again next year or the next time I plan on gifting any kind of little gift. And the second thing I did is I took my vanilla extract that I made 4 ways, which I can go ahead and link that video. I decided it was time to go ahead and fill the bottles. It had been brewing, so to speak, for about 8 months, I think it was. And I found these bottles on Amazon and they were perfect. What I'm doing right now, I have these bottles came with a wrapper. So it was a heat shrinking to the bottle. So it looked very professional as if I bought it, but it's again handmade. So another cute little gift. I made sure I labeled everything appropriately so you could see what type of vanilla extract that I made. And another great gift to give, again, anytime during the year. It could be Christmas, Valentine's Day, birthdays, or any other type of special occasion that you're trying to celebrate. Everything came with the amber bottles, the labels on the outside, along with the shrink wrap material for the top. Now, I also attempted to make vanilla sugar. Not sure if I did this correctly. I probably should have let the beans dry out, but it works. I made some homemade ice cream with some of the sugar, and it ended up turning out great. So that was something that I could bake with in the future. I hope you liked this video. If so, make sure you give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more creative ideas.